In this video, we'll provide a quick overview of PDFSense AI and introduce some of its key features. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a good understanding of how to navigate the platform and get started. When you sign in for the first time, you'll see an empty dashboard. As you upload documents to your vault and begin using the platform, the dashboard automatically populates with useful metrics and insights. These provide a quick overview of your documents, processing activity, and overall platform usage. Let's begin with the vault. The vault is your central repository for storing and managing documents that you want to analyze using PDFSense AI. To upload a document, click the Upload button in the top right corner. You can upload documents directly from your computer, Google Drive, or Microsoft OneDrive. If you haven't connected your cloud storage accounts yet, you can configure them from the settings page. Once a document is uploaded, PDFSense AI securely indexes it and prepares it for AI-powered analysis and other platform features. You'll also notice that every uploaded document is automatically classified using our built-in document taxonomy. This makes it easier to organize, search, and manage your documents without requiring manual categorization. The Vault also provides document lineage, allowing you to track how a document has changed over time. This gives you complete visibility into its history and previous versions. You can configure document retention either for an individual document or across your entire vault. To update the retention period for a single document, select the document and modify its settings. To apply a default retention policy to all documents, use the retention policy option available from the Vault toolbar or configure it from the settings page. Clicking on any document opens it in the document viewer, where you can review its contents, share it with other users, or delete it when it is no longer required. PDFSense AI automatically classifies every uploaded document into predefined categories. These classifications are also available as filters, allowing you to quickly locate documents based on their type without manually organizing them.
Let's explore AI Copilot, one of the most powerful features of PDFSense AI. In this example, we'll use a publicly available annual report to demonstrate how AI Copilot helps you quickly find insights from your documents. We'll begin by asking a question about the company's balance sheet and compare its profits with the previous year. Within seconds, AI Copilot provides a detailed, context-aware answer based entirely on the document. Every response is fully grounded in your documents and supported by citations, helping reduce the risk of hallucinations or unsupported information. Simply select any citation to verify the answer directly against the source document. AI Copilot also understands conversational context. Let's ask a follow-up question about the company's liabilities to customers. Notice that we don't need to repeat the original context. The conversation continues naturally. AI Copilot is more than a document assistant. It also serves as an intelligent product assistant. Let's ask a question about workflows in PDFSense AI. As you can see, the response is again precise, contextual, and grounded in the available product documentation. AI Copilot can also be integrated into your own business applications. Whether you're building a customer support assistant, an enterprise search solution, embedding AI into your website, or integrating it into existing business workflows, AI Copilot can provide grounded responses based on your organization's documents and knowledge artifacts. With just a few configuration steps, your users can interact with trusted information using natural language.
Let's now explore some of the basic and advanced tools available in PDFSense AI. While many of these tools perform common document operations, having them integrated into a single platform allows you to manage, convert, and process a wide variety of documents without switching between multiple applications. PDFSense AI provides a range of document conversion tools. You can convert Microsoft Word documents to PDF, HTML web pages to PDF, and image formats such as PNG into JP. The document parser generates high-quality structured JSON output from your documents. The output includes bounding boxes for every detected word, allowing you to identify the exact location of text on each page. This makes it particularly useful for AI applications, intelligent document processing, and system integrations. You can also integrate the document parser APIs directly into your own applications to parse and process documents programmatically. PDFSense AI also includes essential PDF utilities, such as PDF Split and PDF Merge, making it easy to organize and manage PDF files of any size. For structured data extraction, PDFSense AI provides table parsing tools that can convert Excel spreadsheets into JSON, or extract tables from PDF documents and export them as Excel or JSON. Let's now take a closer look at data analysis. Data analysis is an automated charting and analytics tool. Simply upload your spreadsheet to generate a variety of charts and visualizations. You can then ask questions in natural language to analyze the data and gain accurate, AI-powered insights. Another powerful capability is redaction. Redaction automatically detects and removes sensitive information, such as names, email addresses, phone numbers, and other personally identifiable information from PDF documents. This allows you to safely share documents while protecting sensitive data and maintaining privacy.
Let's now explore Workflow Studio, one of the most powerful capabilities of PDFSense AI. Workflow Studio allows you to automate complex document and data processing tasks within a single workflow. You can schedule recurring executions, automate business processes, and orchestrate AI-powered document intelligence at scale. Workflow Studio provides a visual, node-based designer where you can build workflows by connecting processing nodes into a graph. Once configured, the entire workflow can be executed as a single pipeline, eliminating repetitive manual tasks. One of the unique capabilities of Workflow Studio is its ability to process structured and unstructured data together within the same workflow. For example, you may have structured data from an HRIS, accounting system, or CRM, alongside unstructured documents such as resumes, contracts, invoices, or reports. Workflow Studio allows you to build parallel execution paths, process both data sources simultaneously, merge the results, and generate insights across a unified data pipeline. Workflows can also be generated using natural language prompts. Simply describe the workflow you want to build, and AI generates the initial workflow, which you can further customize using the visual designer. Every workflow execution is recorded, allowing you to review run history, monitor results, and troubleshoot issues when needed. Workflows can also be executed through API endpoints, integrated into external systems, and saved as reusable templates for future use. Let's begin with a simple workflow. This workflow processes multiple document types and uses conditional logic to make downstream decisions based on the document content, demonstrating how intelligent automation can be built with minimal effort. Next, let's look at a parallel workflow. In this example, we'll combine tabular data with document data to identify matches between a candidate's resume and employee information stored in an HR system. While we're using HR data for this demonstration, the same approach can be applied to finance, procurement, healthcare, insurance, and many other business scenarios where structured and unstructured data need to be analyzed together. Finally, let's generate a workflow using a simple AI prompt. We'll review the generated workflow and make a few modifications using the visual designer, demonstrating how quickly complex automations can be created and refined. Workflow Studio represents a modern approach to enterprise automation by combining AI documents, structured data, and visual workflow design into a single platform. PDFSense AI enables organizations to build intelligent data pipelines that integrate seamlessly with today's modern data ecosystem.
Let's now take a brief look at some of the AI-powered tools available in PDFSense AI. In this section, we'll cover AI Summarize, AI Compare, and AI Extract. Let's begin with AI Summarize. When working with large documents such as master service agreements, loan agreements, insurance policies, or legal contracts, it's often helpful to first understand the key information before performing a deeper analysis with AI Copilot. AI Summarize automatically generates a concise and meaningful summary of the document. Using document intelligence and our built-in taxonomy, PDFSense AI tailors the summary based on the document type, allowing you to quickly understand its most important information. Next, let's look at AI Compare. AI Compare helps you identify differences between two or more documents. Common use cases include comparing different versions of vendor contracts, quotations from multiple suppliers, resumes from job applicants, or even pathology reports to compare health indicators over time. The comparison highlights the differences, making it easy to review changes and make informed decisions. Finally, let's explore AI Extract. AI Extract enables you to quickly capture structured information from your documents. Simply define the fields you want to extract, create your own extraction schema, or choose from one of the predefined templates available in the platform. The extracted data can be exported in multiple formats, and your custom schemas can be saved and reused across future documents, making repetitive extraction tasks fast and consistent. All of these AI capabilities are also available as developer APIs. If you'd like to integrate AI Summarize, AI Compare, or AI Extract into your own applications or business workflows, PDFSense AI provides APIs that allow you to automate document processing with just a few lines of integration.